Go ahead and get this Friday started. Now the challenge is we got to talk and walk at the same time. A side dish can be the star at any party, right?
Yeah, and it's going to have to be particularly good to go head-to-head with the main entree.
That's right, and the American Royal is celebrating 40 years of barbecue this weekend, like we just talked about. It's the sides that can turn your meal into a feast. And we have Chef Sean Dwiggins of Reasor's Fine Foods here to show us how we can do just that. So you guys would know about it because Reasor's Fine Foods is the official side dish sponsor of the American Royal, right?
And so how do you get to be the official side dish sponsor besides cooking up all these masterpieces?
That's kind of where it starts. If you make the best sides that go with barbecue, it kind of comes hand in hand.
Okay, so you're gonna have to walk us through some of this because, I mean, Bill and I are already hungry, probably anyone who's watching this. This is delicious.
Well, you go ahead and walk us through. I'm just gonna eat.
Thank you very much. So, Reasor's is official side dish sponsor of the Royal. We're gonna be out there, we're gonna have a booth giving out samples.
Yeah.
So what we wanna do is make the side dish, so you can worry about the meat and let us take care of the side dishes. And what we've done is take side dishes that you can add a few tweaks to and then have them pair even better with barbecue.
Well, that sounds like a plan.
So the first thing that we've done is taken our original potato salad, which the company was founded on.
Wow.
It's been around for almost 70 years, and did a Spanish twist on it. So added smoked paprika, roasted red peppers, red onion, a little bit of parsley.
And that's what we're looking at right there?
Right here.
Okay.
And then next, I'm gonna have you mix the backyard mac. So we've taken our macaroni salad, tried and true favorite, and added a few tweaks to it. So we've got diced jalapeno, if you want to dump those in and mix it together.
Bill, you can help me here if you want to throw something in.
I think you're doing a great job.
A little bit of diced jalapeno, egg,
Okay.
so hard cooked egg, you give it a little bit of richness, and bread and butter pickles, which are my favorite condiment to add to something. A little bit of crunch, sweet and sour, mix it all together. Great way to add a little bit of color, a little bit of crunch. A little bit of extra sweetness to the next salad. So we've got it here, just garnished with a little bit of sliced jalapeno and some hard-cooked egg.
Awesome. Now, I know you guys are headquartered back west, but you also have a spot out in Topeka right there. How long have you guys been just down the road?
We've been in Topeka for almost 30 years.
Really? Wow. What kind of foods do you guys make there? Do you have everything there? Or
so we do everything. We've got a salad plant, a baked plant, plant that does mashed potatoes, kind of a little bit of everything that we do.
So this may not compare with yours, but I mean, this would be
looks pretty good.
Any kind of
that looks pretty good.
Anything this
You
fall.
put that in your own bowl at
goodness.
home, and nobody's going to know the difference.
Is this your favorite salad? This is one that you like to bring to most barbecues you go to? Or?
So mine would be our deviled egg potato salad.
Let's get to that one.
Absolute favorite.
Do you have that one here, the double egg baked?
We have it back over here.
Goodness.
That is fantastic. We'll leave some with you.
Yes.
Okay, and what about these quesadillas? Because, I mean, I've been eyeing that all morning.
Yeah, definitely.
So this is a macadilla. So taking our macaroni and cheese and mixing it with pulled pork and smoked cheddar, putting it in between flour tortillas, put a little bit of Parmesan in the pan so you get a crust on the outside.
So with that cute name, that literally means there is mac and cheese. We're looking at those noodles. It is insane.
Sean, I just want to let you know that our producer is screaming in my ear right now. I think he may be having a heart attack back in the booth because of what you just said with the pulled pork, the mac and cheese, and everything else that's in there, right?
All the essential Kansas City food groups.
We're going to have to save one for Dante Jones back in the booth right now.
But that's perfect for the Royal, right? With the pulled pork right in between the tortillas.
Yeah.
Trying to pair with barbecue as much as we can. And I do have a good fact about Reasor's. We bought over 27 million pounds of macaroni last year as a company.
27 million.
So between mac salad, mac and cheese, we buy a lot.
I thought my daughter liked mac and cheese quite a bit, but no, I was wrong. So, and then is this like a twice baked potato here? Or?
Yes, but to put a barbecue spin on it, we did it with brisket. So we used our loaded mashed potatoes, which are there in the front, which are rich on their own. So using, baked potato, cutting it out, making the filling out of the loaded mash, extra cheese, your leftover brisket, mixing that together, topping it with some cheddar, baking it.
You got ribs and brisket here on the set today, and then what's in the skillet over there? Because that's the one thing I haven't asked you about.
That is the macadilla on.
Oh, that's the macadilla.
As the hero shot.
And what else did you add to the tortilla to give it that brown crisp?
So I put Parmesan cheese in the pan and a little bit of butter on the tortilla, get it to stick. You get a little crust, a little texture on it.
Awesome.
So we're getting some great tips. Cheese on cheese.
Cheese on cheese.
And then you got some. Are these some of your beers that you like pairing along with your barbecue here?
Yeah, you've got to have beer with barbecue. So we got a selection of local brews that would go.
Have
really
you
well
had
with
the space camper yet? Because I have not had it yet, and this
delicious.
is really good. Plus, I just like the can design on this one that Boulevard did. It's really cool. Kind of goes along with like a lot of the comic book stuff that came out here this summer.
Beautiful.
So, all right, excellent. Was it time to eat yet?
Yeah.
All right.
You got a little,
you think,
little potato salad and a twice baked potato.
Do you wanna
Can
go
I
after this
grab
one?
one of these
Yes,
quesadillas?
please do.
Okay, we got to save one of those for our producer. Though,
just gonna
'cause we
take a
told him we
little
would.
bite here.
All right, you
Okay.
eat first, and then while I eat, you can talk.
That was not very ladylike. Pulled pork just spit out right there.
Is there really?
But this is delicious. Oh my goodness.
Thank you very much.
Is there a ladylike
Well,
way
we
to
have
eat
to-
barbecue? I don't know.
No, there's not.
You just got to go for
That's
it.
right.
But man, this is absolutely delicious. Thank you so much, Chef
Pleasure.
Twiggins. Reese's Fine Foods is the official side dish sponsor of the American Royal World Series of Barbecue. Just visit their tent in the marketplace. That's September 12th through the 15th. Had to swallow there for a second. It all takes place at the Kansas Speedway. For more info, go to research.com.